Kanang bandang penklan ya kajing syakri jong ke Byrnihat Police Outpost hakaliang kaan bat ban pensuk ya upat ba banjan bat kipulin katanat kampo yeng kala kyntiew kyrdan ya kanika outpost sya ke Byrnihat Police Station. Ha kanika jingalang kyntiew kyrdan ya kanika outpost lawan ya syembenta da uba sustenance sotun Menteri Sorkar bat MLA kajirang konstituensi kum ukongsan. Ha kajingadon lang UVS Rathor IG Eastern Range Ugiri Prasad, Superintendent of Police Karibhai, in charge ka Byrnihat Police Station, Rubul Ali, nalor kiway ki he pulen, kirang baasnong kathan Byrnihat nalor kiway pan. Ha ka jingkren uba sustenance ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen banyadon lang hakan kasngi, kabansa jingken mau, na benta ka Byrnihat Police Station, kamtam kibor pulit Karibhai District, pan penyari ka jing syakri jong kana kathanan, kabala syakri dagi post nam ikipat ba kathan Byrnihat. Ula ay kublay kerpang ru ya kajingaw i jingay bat kajing tri shitom jong umintri rangba kajela ukon rat ke sangma usembut mintri rangba babat ru ya katanat kampo yeng uba prestun tensong kibala beteng ban penurlong ya kajing kular da kajing temu ban kyntiew ya kajela habaro kiliang nalor ka roy kapar bakajing penjanai ha kajing syakri jogi bor pulit ha kajelahi baro kawai. Kum unomi kamat na jirang konstituensi nga ay kublay ru ya ka Sorkar jila kabala phai kamat kerpang ban kyntiew ya ka jirang konstituensi hai kibabon kiliang ha kabaki pat ba nong shong shnong hi kiyo ya ka jingker ku bat ki jingmentoy ong uba sustenance da kababenrap baka jing kyntiew kyrdan ya ka Byrnihat Police Station kanang penjan syu ekipat ba bat ki pulit ha ki jing syakri ha kabaya day bat kaan bat kan nang pensuk iki rukam trekam bat upat ba unla ban pendap iki kam ki bayade bat ki an ha kan ka jaka klam ta don kam ban mi sheki way pat ki thanan.
Today I would like to inform, to tell to each and everyone present here and to the people of my constituency why today we gathered here together, why we are getting the upgradation of Byrnihat Police Outpost to a police station. It is because of the collective responsibility, the collective dedication of the government, the officials, each and every staff working in all the departments. And especially, I would like to thank our DIG, Shri Bipin Rathod, our Superintendent of Police, Shri Giri Prasad, and all the officers from the department, the police department. I could say and agree that it is because of your hard work, your constant effort, the collective responsibility, working together with the government, reminding each day, each time for the upgradation of Byrnihat Police Outpost to a police station.
The transformation of this outpost into a police station will greatly enhance our operational capacity, ensuring quick response time and even bringing police closer to the people we serve. The Byrnihat holds a very strategic importance and as well as a social importance to the state of Meghalaya. And this upgradation is a clear recognition of the growing needs of this place. It will empower our officers with better infrastructure, resources and authority to maintain law and order more effectively. On behalf of the organizing team, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest for gracing this occasion, esteemed guest of honor, our DIG Eastern Range, as well as all the dignitaries and officers, guests, for your presence and support. Your encouragement inspires us to continue to strive forward for excellence in our duties. And also that we thank the government of Meghalaya, Home Department, our local MLA Sri Sosnas Soto, our DIG Eastern Range, and our police headquarters to making this possible in ensuring that the Byrnihat outpost is upgraded into a police station. We thank you, sir, for your sincere dedication in helping us this make possible. So let us move forward with renewed dedication, strength and resolve, and a shared vision to ensure that we serve our community in Byrnihat area and villages nearby